In the age of technology, Google is a necessity in our daily lives as we seek to find out new ideas, news, and information that are from anywhere on the planet. I use Google, you use Google, and everybody uses Google, but did you know that you can actually use Google to generate money? Now I am sure that I caught your attention because it's actually true. You can earn up to hundreds of dollars in just less than an hour with Google as your main website. And of course you're going to learn about it in this video. In case you're not hooked yet, let me tell you that this method is 100% free, completely legitimate, and totally so easy. I assure you, you will not regret clicking on this video. As I said, Google is basically a necessity nowadays, with millions of people across the planet making use of this platform. Keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis, so make sure you finish watching the video. Like and comment down below, it will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that I know about exactly how to do this. Honestly, this is also new, and I just learned about this very recently. And because I want to help you guys out, I want to share all the tips, tricks, and secrets that I have, so that you can make more money online. And if you're thinking about exiting this video, we'll stop right there because you're going to make a big mistake. I will not ask you to buy something from me or from anyone. And instead, I just really want to tell you all about this premier method of making money online. So make sure to give me all your attention because everything that I'm going to discuss is very interesting and very effective, yet very easy. Do not skip ahead in this video because I don't want you guys to miss out on a single thing, since this video is going to be full of information that I have never shared with you guys before. Without further ado, let me tell you about the first site. On your search bar, I want you to type in askwonder.com. And let me tell you ahead of time that this is not a sales video at all. Once you're in their official webpage, you are going to see that they offer people like you and me to become researchers or data analysts for various companies and institutions that seek out such services. To give you a little something, Wonder has actually and is working with huge companies on the planet, such as General Electric, Bloomberg Beta, City Ventures, and many more companies presented right here on their website. You have all the liberty in the world to venture into the website and find out everything that you need to know. Trust me, they are so transparent and they literally present you with all the information needed prior to entering. Basically, what you're going to do in Wonder is to find some research questions and answer them. And just like that, you get to earn up to hundreds of dollars very easily, along with the 4 steps that I will show you shortly. So where were we? Right at this juncture, I will show you 4 easy steps that you have to take in order to begin your journey on this website and eventually earn money online. Before anything else, you're going to be creating your own account, and I will walk you through every step of the way on their homepage. I want you to click on this right here at the upper right portion where it says Become a Researcher. After clicking on that, you will be redirected to this page where you can begin your sign-up process by filling out some information about yourself, such as your name, email address, and password. Simply hit the sign up with email and you're done. By the way, you should never worry about where you are right now or what country you live in because Wonder will accept anyone no matter where they are on the planet. Now we begin with the 4 easy steps that I mentioned earlier. It is literally so easy that you don't even shed a single sweat about it. So you have your account now, right? I want you to go to the research dashboard once you are fully ready to start working, and that's the first step. The second step is to navigate the website and find research projects to work on among various options to choose from. And once you have found the research projects for you, they will assign you a request to work on a specific project, which leads us to the third step. The third step is all about seeking answers to the research questions assigned to you. Simply find answers or sources and synthesize your findings. This step means that you will have to compile all the data that you have gathered so that you can have a more comprehensive answer. Then the fourth and final step is to submit your work, and guess what? Celebrate. So now let me tell you how you can gather more facts and information effectively. Since you have to synthesize your findings, this means you have to find answers from various blog posts and articles. Given your assigned research question, just type it in your search bar and you will get tens to hundreds of search results related to the question. With these results, I want you to select the top 10 from the first page and open the blog post or article one by one. The next thing that I want you to do is open up Google Docs or just type in docs.google.com. On your search bar in Google Docs, simply open up a new document. And this is where you are going to synthesize all the facts and information that you have gathered from the search results earlier. Go back to the blog post or article and simply copy them and paste it into the new document on Google Docs. You can modify it a little to make it your own, but one thing that I would like you to do is put them in a paragraph form. Also make sure that they have a uniform format following proper spacing so that your document will look appealing as an academic paper. And just by doing that you can earn at least $20 and it can even range up to the hundreds. Now I want you to go back to askwonder.com and scroll down their homepage just a bit and you can find some examples right there. Click on this view button and there you have some templated examples as shared by users worldwide. Let me tell you that all of this, you can literally find all of this information on no other than Google. Now that is how Google becomes a magic tool to make you earn hundreds of dollars from just copy and pasting. You absolutely don't need any type of technical skill and certainly no prior experience is required. Even more so, this method does not raise the need for you to have a college degree because all you have to do is literally go in Google. Search for the question, open up blog posts and articles and copy and paste them to Google Docs. However, if you think that I'm done, you're actually wrong, because I'm about to tell you a secret, especially for those who don't really like to do anything at all. If you think the entire process was a bit tiresome, then I guess the universe aligned for you today, because I am about to show you how you can increase efficiency yet spending a little bit of money. Now you can visit microworkers.com and here you can actually find people to work for you and do some simple stuff. You can just ask them to search the question for you and compile the facts and information on one Google Doc and make it into a paragraph. Like I said, you're going to be spending a teeny tiny bit of money because this will cost you some cents for you to get those done. But when you think about it, it's actually pretty smart yet lazy because you get to spend a few cents. But you're going to earn hundreds of dollars. Just to make one thing clear, you are not forced in any way to pursue this method because you can just simply accomplish all of those steps yourself without someone to do it for you. It's completely up to you which method you want to pursue. Whether you're going to give out a few minutes to search for blog posts or just sit back and relax and let someone do it for you. The choice is yours, and that's it for this video. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, you are going to want to watch one of these two videos right here. Have a nice time.